Welcome to our housekeeping training video. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the essential steps on how to do housekeeping in hotels. Whether you're new to the hospitality industry or looking to improve your skills, this guide will provide you with tips and best practices for maintaining the highest standards of cleanliness and guest satisfaction in hotels. Let's get started. Prepare your housekeeping cart. Before you begin cleaning, it's important to prepare your housekeeping cart with all the necessary supplies. This includes cleaning agents and disinfectants, microfiber cloths and dusters, fresh linens, towels, and amenities, vacuum cleaner, mops and brushes, garbage bags, and a checklist for each room. Having your cart well organized and fully stocked ensures that you can work efficiently and minimize the need to return to the supply room. Entering the guest room. When entering a guest room, always knock first and announce yourself by saying, "Housekeeping." If there's no response, knock again and wait for a few seconds before entering. Once inside, prop the door open for safety and to signal that the room is being cleaned. Stripping the bed and changing linens. The bed is often the focal point of a hotel room, so it's essential to maintain high standards of cleanliness here. Strip the bed of all used linens, including sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers. Place them in the laundry bag. Next, replace the bed with fresh linens, ensuring there are no wrinkles. Properly tuck in the sheets and pillowcases and fluff the pillows. Always make sure the bed looks crisp and inviting, as this is one of the first things guests will notice. Cleaning the bathroom. Bathrooms require extra attention to detail, as cleanliness here is critical to guest satisfaction. Start by removing used towels, mats, and amenities, cleaning the toilet, sink, shower, and mirrors with appropriate disinfectants. Pay special attention to high-touch areas like the faucet handles, toilet flush button, and door handles. Replace with fresh towels, bath mats, and restock amenities like soap, shampoo, and toilet paper. Don't forget to wipe down surfaces and ensure everything is sparkling clean. Dusting and vacuuming. Dust all surfaces, including nightstands, lamps, shelves, and any decorative items. Use a microfiber cloth for dusting to avoid spreading dust around. Be sure to check often missed areas like the tops of picture frames and behind furniture. After dusting, vacuum the room thoroughly, including under the bed and furniture. A clean, dust-free room creates a positive impression on guests. Wiping and disinfecting surfaces. High-touch surfaces, like remote controls, light switches, door handles, and telephones, need to be disinfected to ensure guest safety and cleanliness. Use a disinfectant spray or wipes, and make sure you don't miss these key areas. For additional guest comfort, wipe down surfaces like desks, chairs, and windowsills, leaving everything spotless. Restocking and replenishing amenities. To ensure the guest room is ready for the next occupant, make sure all amenities are fully restocked. This includes items like toiletries in the bathroom, complimentary coffee or tea, stationery and promotional materials, minibar or in-room snacks if applicable. Check the room thoroughly to ensure nothing has been missed and that everything is in order for the next guest. Final inspection. Before leaving the room, perform a final inspection to make sure everything is clean and organized. Check that the bed is made perfectly, the bathroom is sparkling, and all items are restocked. Ensure that the room smells fresh and looks inviting. Close the windows, turn off the lights, and gently close the door. Make sure to update the room's status on your housekeeping checklist to signal that it's ready for the next guest. Handling guest requests. If a guest makes a special request, such as extra towels or specific cleaning needs, be sure to fulfill it as quickly as possible. Always aim for excellent customer service, as guest satisfaction is key to the hotel's reputation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more housekeeping tips and training videos. Thanks for watching.